Check out the new 2025 Cherokee Grey Wolf 27RR. This toy hauler has a private 11-foot garage bay in the rear of the camper with an upgraded patio kit, drop-down screen wall protector, outdoor kitchen with a Greystone griddle, mini fridge, ice maker, hot and cold water, large awning with the blue LED lights, 200-watt solar package, backup camera, power tongue jack. It's got a king bed in the front, mid kitchen and bath. There is a slide out with a U-shaped dinette. Kitchen with the new air fryer, microwave convection, 3-burner cooktop, stainless steel farm sink, and more.